Okay, up next for me here in Dublin is going to be this Viking Splash Tour. I had it recommended to me by a friend who lives locally, so we're going to check it out. Armed with our Viking helmets, we set out on the city. The guide encouraged us to growl like angry Vikings at the pedestrians as we passed by. The guide did a great job pointing out historical locations throughout the city. We made our way to the waterfront, and we donned life vests and put on pontoons to the side of the duck boat.
Two from the north, Ballycastle down. Nice one. Whoa, you got splashed. You got splashed on this side. When we used to win you.
We launched into the canal and spent about 15 minutes as we circled around, exiting back out the same way we came in. The tour was fun and definitely worthwhile. It would have been more fun if the crowd was maybe more into it or if we had a few pints beforehand.